Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website after purchasing A is my domain, B is the hosting. After purchasing Plesk hosting, the Plesk panel, how to create your particular Plesk account. So that is I'm creating will be here. So how we can creating account will be into the Plesk panel. So that is the purpose. We have to use option name is called Plesk account. Here we can go to option name is called customer. In the customer, first of all, create the add customer account. First of all, create by the add a customer account. Now click for customer. This is my particular domain, rakeshtutorialspoint.com. So here is I'm selecting this option, add account. Here it is the customer name, email address, and we have to use will be option. So always you can use this option will be here, company everything, not required, only access by username and password. Next, here it is your particular domain name. So domain name purpose, I'll write will be here is the option. Always domain name dot your domain.com. Without dot is there, there's not will be here. Register domain, already I have registered domain name, temporary domain name. So there is a two hosting will be here. This is the already existing domain I have to create by the Plesk panel. So everything will be here. Service plan, all in one, and every IP address is there. Username is there. Password is generated automatically. But I'm clicking will be here. It is called, and I'm using will be here. It is called FTP, and it is called create account and add the customer. Then in a fraction of seconds, account was created, and first of all, how it is show the users this domain. Previous, the showing will be nothing like that. After create account in Plesk panel, they can show your Plesk design. They will show will be Plesk design option. Any user, sir, I'm unable to create my hosting. That is mean by you're forgetting for name servers. Any hosting will be purchased. They're providing for name servers option. The particular name server, we have to create the particular website. When I will create the account will be here, all accounts will be shown to the particular users. Now we can go for refresh it. See this, the previous site cannot be reached. After hosting activated, they can show will be display some panel will be here. That all will be free panels on a particular website. So see here, advanced option, here is the preview. What will show? They will show will be Plesk account. Why? The domain will be hosted by the Plesk account. So that is showing will be Plesk screen. So this all mean by the to activate account for the Plesk panel. So what is different by control panel and Plesk panel? Plesk panel will be some user friendly wise, little bit confuse the new users, but control panel user wise very comfortable zone. So coming to this CPAN and Plesk panel, nothing different. See here, domain will be secure purpose, PHP, everything will be, we can use the particular option. Everything will be same. To making a website purpose, these are the particular softwares. So you can use, you can go to this domains. What are the domains you have? We can click for here is the option. So this is our domain. It is active stage. Now I'm clicking this hosting. This all will be particular option will be here. So these all will be making a website purpose. These all your particular softwares. So I'm go to the customer, which your website will be open it. Here it is called login to customer. This complete for login your customer account. After customer account, these all your particular here. To making a free website purpose, the use option name is called Sitepad Website Builder. Sir, hosting and free hosting, what is the difference? Premium hosting, they give extension will be .com, but free hosting, the extension will be .so-and-so.com. So which is the hosting will be providing? Like I'm blogger is there. What I'm providing for Digital Rakesh .blogspot.com. Right? It is a free domain. So what extension will be? .blogspot.com. In a free domain, what is the showing will be .com. These are all pattern we have to follow it and host your website on your Plesk and cPanel option. If any further question about the create a Plesk panel or host your website, please contact our channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.